All, please subscribe this channel by clicking in this and press the bell icon button as shown here. Okay, now start playing this dice game. For this we need two dice, pencil and eraser. In this game, roll the dice. There will be two numbers we get from rolling the dice. It's two numbers here. In this game we will follow one rule, and that rule is we will put bigger number in our mind and smaller number on our finger. For example, here are 5 plus 2, so we put 2 in our finger. So start counting forward. 5 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 7. So the answer is 7. Now the second one is we get 2 plus 4. So the bigger number we will put in our mind, that is 4, and 2 in our finger. Now start forward counting up to 2. 4 plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6. So 2 plus 4 equals to 6. Now next we get 6 plus 4. 6 we put in our mind and 4 on our finger, and start forward counting up to 4 numbers. So 6, we write 6 here, plus 4. So start counting 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10. So 6 plus 4 equals to 10. We just need to throw our dice, roll our dice, and whatever the number we get, we write here and just start playing this game. This game is very interesting. You can play with your friends also. Okay, same as again we roll our dice, and in this we get two numbers. One is 3 and the second number is 4. So we put 4 in our mind and 3 on our finger and start forward counting up to the number 3. We will start counting for the number 4. So 4 plus 3 equals to 7. So 3 plus 4 equals to 7. We get the number 7. Same as you can roll the dice and get so many numbers. You can enjoy with your friends, 1 or 2, as many friends you want, you can play with it. Now next is subtraction. In this we have to follow one rule. We get two numbers here, for example 3 and 2. So the first number always be the bigger number. Okay, for example here 3 is bigger than 2, so we first put 3 and then put 2. In this rolling we get 4 and 1, so 4 is bigger than 1, so we put 4 first and then we write 1. So we write 4 minus, because it is subtraction, 4 minus 1. And in this subtraction game we start backward counting. So 4, if we start backward counting, then one step before 4 is 3. So 4 minus 1 equals to 3. Now after rolling another dice we get 4 minus 2. 4 is bigger number, so we write 4 first, then we write 2, and we start backward counting up to number 2. Before 4 is the number comes 3, and before 3 the number comes 2. So the answer is 4 minus 2 equals to 2. Now the next rolling we get 5 and 1. So we put 5 first because 5 is bigger than 1. So we write 5 minus 1 and start backward counting up to the step 1. So before 5 is 4. So we write here 4. With your family and friends at home And by playing this game, kids can easily learn addition and subtraction in a gaming way. This is really a fun way to learn addition and subtraction. Now 4 minus 4. So the answer is 0. So as you can get so many numbers for calculation, I hope you will all enjoy this game. So play with your kids.